Okay, so the question, you've got something, and just think about your own business. You got something you're really good at. It's a part of your business you've been very effective at. You produced a lot of results for people. But then there's some new strand. Maybe you're wanting to try, maybe it's a new modality, a new approach, a new model, a new way of working. But because it's new, you're not so good at it. Not as much experience, not as much time in the saddle on that thing. But you're excited about it. I mean, you're excited about this thing. It's delightful for you. You feel, it fills you with some new energy, which is good. It's also good that you're not just, seeing your clients like, you again, oh God. So great. So how do you handle it? One is, there's a few things. One is you can send an email to your list and just tell people, I've got this new thing. I'm still doing this. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still doing the old thing, but I've got this new thing and it's new. And so that means it's a little rough around the edges. And I'm experimenting a bit. But here's kind of what I'm thinking about it. Here's who it's for. Here's who it's not for. Here's what it is. Here's what it's not. This is how it works. This is how it doesn't work. We're just trying to be very clear. And it's like, I'm just looking for a limited number of people. And you can give, maybe there is no limit, but you might think, I actually only want 5 people or 10 people. So first time I did the puttering session, right, that was a new thing. Hadn't done that, the one-on-one in a while. And I certainly hadn't done coaching while tidying up my house. And I had a lot of questions. Will it be too loud? The doing dishes, rustling. Will I be too distracted? Maybe. But, so when I put it out, I said, I've got this new idea. I don't know if it's a good idea, but I'm excited about it. 10 spaces. And that's it. And they sold out almost immediately. And then I let myself try them. And just to see how it was for me. And it went really well. I really enjoyed it. I wasn't too distracted. It wasn't too loud. And so then I rolled out more. And then it just became more of a consistent thing. But so you can just put it out. But then also you could say, look, if you do sign up for this, part of the deal is I need feedback from you. Maybe even a testimonial if it goes well. And then there can be a second email that says, hey, I just finished that experiment that I told you about a couple months ago. Here's what happened. Here's some of the stories. Here's some of the testimonials. And I'm opening up a few more spaces because I've figured out the things I want to test next time, You can do 2 or 3 rounds of just these like beta tests, these little pilot programs, just to see. And then it maybe you just start doing it more and more and more. But you can start, sometimes you reduce your price, say, hey, it's new, I can't stand behind it quite as strong. So for my usual work it's this, but for this it might be a little bit less. You can do that. Does that help or any?